In all the universe, there's never been anything like the new size Chevy Astro.
It's been 18 years since the last of those 3.2 million Astros rolled off its Baltimore assembly line, and the Astro van still holds a special place in the hearts of many. But it's time to take it to the next level.
General Motors, we believe in an all-electric future.
GM, you're making an aggressive push to go electric. It's time to add the newly redesigned EV Astro to your fleet of vehicles. You're gonna have the infrastructure set up, the supply chains, the LG batteries, you name it. To show my commitment to this cause, we have here an initial prototype, an electric Astro van. I know it's a go-kart, but we're starting small. Proof of concept. Here are some videos to show the driving capability and the potential. Okay, time to take the 18 Astro van for a little rundown test. Drive around the neighborhood here. Maybe get a little speed run. Could be a little unpredictable as far as braking goes and steering. Can't leave the keys in the door. While we watch some driving video, let's talk about things we want to keep or change. Please ignore the mess, but going electric also means we lose the doghouse. I'm conveniently missing my center console. It was ripped out on an on-ramp. These roads are horrible. There's a lot of roots. Okay, to make it easy. Is your ice cream machine working?
Yeah.
May we just have an ice cream cone?
Anything else?
That'll be it.
First window, please.
Thank you. Oh, first window. Awesome, thank you.
And your car.
Oh yeah.
Can I get a picture?
Yeah, go for it. It's an Astro van.
Oh, hello.
Oh yeah. Should I meet you back?
Yeah.
Now let's talk a little bit about the packages available in this new EV Astro. Number one, like a delivery vehicle. You know, your Amazon Prime type. The EV powertrain's gonna be perfect for those starts and stops, but basically you're gonna sell it to the fleet vehicles there. A cargo version for all the businesses. Think how many businesses use Astros now. You know, your plumbing, hardware, construction, cleaning, etc. Basically cater to that. People seem to really like these for the van community. So maybe you have an option that's either spec'd out or it's an open platform for them. Back to your more traditional, you got your passenger. I also would really like to see either self-driving or the hardware and sensors for third-party self-driving capabilities. Stuck outside of Bridgehaven because this has decided to do a firmware update. Another big factor we want to keep is the styling. GM, you gotta update it, get less draggy, improve the efficiency because it is an electric vehicle, but keep that retro styling, make sure it still looks like a natural. TheSketchMonkey on YouTube. He has a great concept art of an EV Astro. I really like it. We out here in the trailer hitch, keep the towing capability. That's a big plus for people. This one's rated at like 5,000 pounds, maybe go up.
Can I buy some lemonade from you?
Yeah.
I got some cash on me. That's good lemonade, thank you.
Yeah, of course.
You guys make it?
We used a little bit of powder, but mostly it's sugar.
Now, I think it goes without saying you got to keep the cargo space inside the Astro, because that's really what gives it that mid-van identity. For those curious, we're going to give a little rundown on the go-kart, starting from the front. You got the tabs that hook onto the Astro body, 1/4-inch bolts. Moving on, we got the battery, 48-volt 13S. These are old server backup power, wired together to a 300-amp BMS, Bluetooth controlled. You can like monitor stuff, pretty cool. 10-inch Bridgestone treaded tires that came with the cart. As you see, I extended it to fit the Astro body here. Moving up to the steering, we have throttle on the left, knockoff eBay CR250 brake, hence why it's a hand brake. Moving on, bowling alley seat. Very comfortable, need to be bolted in, but it sits there pretty well. We got the speed controller, 300 amp contactor. Fuse, always good to have a fuse, all this line. This is 6-gauge silicone wire. ME0708 motor, rated for about 20 horsepower for 1 minute. You got the caliper for the CR250, 1-inch keyed shaft, pretty standard go-kart, and some more tabs to mount. I didn't put this here, but the guy named it the Black Mamba before me. Gearing, a 11-2 sprocket on the drive and a 26 on the axle. We're getting 46 mile an hour top speed, This could definitely go up, but it's a good mix of speed and torque. Maybe in the future, make it really torquey and tow something. I think it'd be cool towing a little terrain. Let's keep the Dutch doors. They're both stylish and practical. Not only does the top act as a sun/rain shade while you're just chilling out in the back here, it also acts as a nice place where you can hang boards over. If they're a little longer than the 10 feet it can currently take. If you have some space to make a front, that'd be kind of cool, like a secure storage area. Make this a 4-door instead of a 3-door. Have the availability so people can pick a super basic one, like manual windows, no AC, nothing. But then also have the ability where it's like super luxury, maybe cooled seats, heated steering wheel. Bring some stuff over from your Cadillac division if it works out, you know, financially, which it probably won't for you guys.
Maybe we just have a small Diet Coke.
Small Diet Coke, okay?
Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Ooh, that was the metal part.
We're going to be #1 mid-decade in EVs in the U.S.
Just think how many Ultium batteries could fit in the, base of this thing. You gotta keep a little bit of ground clearance for its off-road capabilities. A 2-tone would be awesome. GM, 2-tone. That NW root beer, probably the best all-around soda. Some peaks might be higher, for me at least, Dr. Pepper a higher peak, but all around, this thing is just, always sounds good. If you haven't tried it yet, pick up a can or a box or a pallet. Just don't try the barks. Yeah, stay away from that, please. What else? If you got stuff in the comments, put it down there. There's a petition, so maybe we'll get the ball rolling, put some of your own ideas in, because I'm probably missing a lot.